Arrived here in Idaho and I'm hunting mule deer. I was glassing this evening behind me here, and it's a really pretty view, sun setting. I've been here a few years ago and I saw a couple of really good bucks across on this other side. Today's the first day, I have 3 days, so we'll see what happens. It's rifle hunt. I've seen like 20 does today. Hoping for a buck. Let's just show up. I've got a lot of country in front of me. Alright, I got a buck spotted over on this hillside, and he's a forked horn. I'm like so far in here, but he's the best buck I've seen on this trip. He's a heavy buck, and he's mature. He could be a small 3-point. I think I see a split on the back fork, and he's bedded at 350. I'd have to close the gap to get under 200. There's a few does down below him on the hillside that would bust. So it's really not looking like it's gonna happen pretty late in the day. And I would be happy with that one, believe it or not. I'm fine with shooting smaller deer and antlers because that's a big body deer. And got some cool film of them, so we'll see. This is my furthest shot. This is 210. I've got this buck in my crosshairs right now. I'm just gonna be patient. He's down. Oh, wow. Holy smokes. Don't go to the bottom. Please don't go to the bottom. Oh, shoot. Don't roll. Well, I got a buck. Oh my gosh. On the recovery hike. I'm almost there. And I'm excited to see exactly what he is. There he is. He made it nearly to the bottom. This is my 2021 Idaho over-the-counter mule deer. And could have held out for something a little different than him, but he's actually turns out to be a pretty cool buck. He's got these gnarly points off the back of his main beam. He's got 3 on this right side and 2 extras on this left side, plus eye guards. and then he splits to make these 3 points. See here? Yeah, so couldn't be happier. He's a cool buck. I've just got a lot of work ahead of me, so tonight I'm gonna get him all quartered up, and I'm probably not gonna get a lot of film. I'm gonna pack myself and as much as I can carry out to the truck tonight, and then come back tomorrow and finish the job. I'm happy, but I've got a lot of work ahead of me, and this year was a little bit rough. Had an autoimmune thing, had a knee surgery, and I herniated a disc in my back, so I can't tell you what it means to me to come and do this by myself, a solo hunt in the backcountry in Idaho. So it means a lot to me, and just happy to go home, see my family, do some trick-or-treating. All right, we'll catch you next time. Cheers.